going to be tonight. I'm going to the Texas A&M game, the bowl game at NRG Stadium, and that's going to be really fun. But right now, I am getting my kayak ready. No Limits kayak. I just got it for Christmas, and I'm probably going to take this bucket out and put a cooler in because I want a cooler to keep drinks, fish, and I can get a little live bait bucket to put on. I need to drill in my paddle holder and find a place for the anchor to go, and then I also need to put a GoPro mount since I'm recording with my GoPro session. I just got it for Christmas, and so I'm probably gonna upload this later on tonight or either early on in the morning because I'm going to put some of the Aggie game in the video. Also, don't hate all you Longhorns fans. So, I think I'm going to put the GoPro mount on the front. So, that's what I'm going to be doing now, and then I will put this in the front, or put this in the beginning of the video, and then I will put the Aggie game in the second half of the video. It'll be all combined in one video. And this is my first video, guys. Sorry if the camera's work's not that great, or if the audio's not that great, or everything's not perfect. I'm new to this, but I'm excited, and I really want to start trying to make YouTube videos. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. I'll be doing saltwater and freshwater. I might be going saltwater fishing Friday night, or Friday afternoon and Saturday morning. So that'll be fun. And then I'll probably be doing some freshwater fishing next week. And then I guess it'll just go on from there. I can't wait to make a bunch of videos for y'all. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, I forgot what I was gonna say. If y'all have any tips for me for kayak fishing, I'm new to it, but I've been really wanting to do it. I love fishing. Tell me down in the comments if this video gets any views. So tell me down there if y'all have kayaks, or what I should put on the kayak, what would be good accessories, or just random things to have on the kayak that I should need besides pliers and of course fishing poles and ice chests. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll post the Aggie game with this video. It'll be all combined in one video. It's my first video. This is Topwater Apocalypse. Channel name's not that great, but it hit me in my mind immediately, and it sounded like a good name. Sorry about that. And I hope y'all enjoy. Smash that like button. Tell your friends to subscribe. Please subscribe. That'd be amazing. Comment down your channel and I'll give you a shout out. And thanks for watching. I'll see you later.
Tillman, the ball carrier. Chavez on the tackle after a gain of 2 yards. Second down and